Yo, Brian. I got news something for you, buddy. I'm an outdoorsman too. You don't want a person like me to come and find you. You don't want a person like me to get involved in this shit. You fucking murdered somebody who resembles a lot like my sister. A little girl. The only reason why you can pick on girls is because you can't pick on a man. You can't win in a man's fight. You can't win in a man's world. That's the only reason why you can pick on little girls. You little coward. Just like your piece of shit parents, who's probably hiding you right now, along with your sister, who is just as guilty. Your ass will be in jail. To the Petitto family. I will do everything in my power to help you guys find this piece of shit and bring him home and bring him to justice. Your daughter resembles a lot like my sister. So, I'm doing this to help you guys and society. Alright? I'm Dog the Bounty Hunter. If you need extra eyes, I'm more than happy to help you. Just like you. You fucking strangled a little freaking girl. A 22-year-old girl. You fucking bully coward piece of shit.